Cooking can be fun, but it's even better with the right tools. In today's video, we're showcasing 16 incredible kitchen gadgets you can find on Amazon that will completely transform your cooking experience. These gadgets are practical, affordable, and perfect for upgrading your kitchen setup. From clever storage solutions to powerful choppers, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab your favorites. And if you love discovering awesome gadgets, subscribe to Tech Up for more amazing finds. Let's dive in. Cheese slicer. Cutting cheese just got easier. This cheese slicer allows you to create perfectly even slices without the hassle. It features an ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip and an adjustable thickness setting for everything from thin sandwich slices to thick cheese blocks. Whether you're hosting a party or preparing a snack, this gadget saves time and effort. It's also made of high-quality stainless steel, so it's built to last and easy to clean. For just $34.99, it's a must-have tool for cheese lovers. Egg holder. Keep your fridge organized and your eggs safe with this simple yet effective egg holder. Its compact design fits perfectly in most refrigerators, ensuring your eggs stay secure and fresh. The sturdy build prevents accidental cracks, while its modern look adds a stylish touch to your fridge. Ideal for meal prepping or daily use, this holder will streamline your morning routine. Say goodbye to fragile cartons and hello to a neat fridge for just $20. Vegetable chopper. This vegetable chopper is the ultimate time saver for meal prep. Whether you're dicing onions, chopping tomatoes, or slicing cucumbers, this tool makes it fast and effortless. With multiple interchangeable blades, you can easily switch between different cutting styles. It's perfect for salads, stir fries, and even garnishes. The chopper is compact, easy to clean, and comes with a catch tray to keep your kitchen mess free. At $34.99, it's a kitchen essential you can't miss. Dish drying rack. Tired of cluttered counters after doing the dishes? This dish drying rack is here to save the day. With multiple tiers, it provides ample space for plates, bowls, utensils, and even pots. The sleek design ensures water drains efficiently, keeping your countertop dry and tidy. Made from durable, rust-resistant materials, this rack is built to last and adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Priced at $49.99, it's a smart investment for any home. Electric jar opener. Say goodbye to struggling with stubborn jar lids. This electric jar opener does the hard work for you with just the press of a button. It's perfect for anyone with limited hand strength or arthritis. Compact and battery powered, this gadget is easy to store and ready to use whenever you need it. Whether you're opening a jar of pickles or a can of sauce, it gets the job done effortlessly. For just $29.99, it's a true game changer. Juicer machine. Start your mornings with fresh juice made by this powerful juicer machine. It's designed to extract every drop of juice from fruits and vegetables, ensuring you get all the nutrients. The large feed chute minimizes prep time, while the quiet motor lets you make juice without disturbing your household. Easy to clean and incredibly efficient, this juicer is perfect for health enthusiasts. Grab it now for $139.99 and enjoy healthy homemade beverages every day. Food chopper. Simplify your chopping tasks with this compact food chopper. Equipped with sharp stainless steel blades, it can handle everything from onions to nuts in seconds. Its manual pull mechanism gives you complete control over the chopping consistency, whether you need fine or coarse pieces. Small but mighty, it's easy to use, clean, and store. At $29.99, it's an affordable way to make cooking more enjoyable. Grain cooker. Take the guesswork out of cooking grains with this grain cooker. It's designed to cook rice, quinoa, and other grains to perfection with just the press of a button. The non-stick pot ensures easy cleanup, while the keep warm function lets you enjoy hot, fluffy grains anytime. With its sleek design, it fits beautifully in any kitchen. Get yours for $89.99 and elevate your meal prep game. Oil sprayer. Switch to healthier cooking with this handy oil sprayer. Perfect for controlling oil usage, it evenly coats your pans, salads, or grills with just the right amount. The transparent design lets you see how much oil is left, while the easy pump mechanism ensures smooth operation. Lightweight and portable, it's also great for outdoor BBQs. Priced at $19.99, it's a small gadget that makes a big difference. Dish drying rack. Make dish drying efficient and stylish with this compact dish drying rack. Its foldable design saves space, while the durable build ensures long-lasting use. The silicone-coated steel rods provide a stable base for drying dishes, utensils, and more. It's easy to store, clean, and even doubles as a trivet for hot pots. At just $25.99, it's a versatile tool for any kitchen. Link in description. Mandoline Slicer. Achieve professional level slicing with this Mandoline Slicer. It's perfect for cutting vegetables into uniform slices for salads, chips, or stir fries. The adjustable blade lets you choose your desired thickness, while the safety guard protects your hands. Made from high quality materials, this slicer is both durable and easy to clean. At $39.99, it's a must-have for anyone who loves cooking. Stackable storage baskets. Maximize your pantry space with these stackable storage baskets. Ideal for storing fruits, vegetables, snacks, or kitchen tools. They keep everything organized and easily accessible. The sturdy design ensures long-lasting use, while the open front allows for quick grabbing. Stylish and functional, they're perfect for any kitchen. Get a set for $24.99 and transform your storage game. Link in description. Mixing bowls. Upgrade your kitchen essentials with these mixing bowls. Equipped with airtight lids, they're perfect for mixing, storing, and even transporting food. The set includes various sizes to accommodate all your cooking and baking needs. Made of durable stainless steel, they're rust-resistant and easy to clean. Priced at $39.99, these bowls are a versatile addition to your kitchen. Clip strainer. Say goodbye to bulky colanders with this clip strainer. It clips directly onto pots, pans, or bowls, allowing you to strain liquids with ease. Compact and dishwasher safe, it's perfect for pasta, veggies, and more. Made from durable silicone, it's heat resistant and easy to store. At just $11.99, it's a simple gadget that saves time and space. Link in description. Meat Tenderizer. Make your meats more flavorful and tender with this meat tenderizer. Its sturdy, ergonomic design ensures easy handling while evenly piercing the meat for better marinade absorption. It's perfect for steaks, chicken, or pork, and it's dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning. At $19.99, it's a small tool that makes a big difference in your cooking. Electric kettle. Boil water in minutes with this sleek electric kettle. Its stainless steel design ensures durability, while the auto shut-off feature adds safety. The large capacity is perfect for making tea, coffee, or instant meals. With its modern look, it's both functional and stylish for your kitchen. At $49.99, it's a must-have for any household. Link in description. That wraps up our list of 16 game-changing kitchen gadgets that can truly transform your cooking experience. From tools that save you time to those that make food prep more fun and efficient, there's something here for everyone. If you found a gadget that caught your eye, don't forget to check the links in the description to grab your favorite. And before you go, make sure to subscribe to Tech Up for more incredible gadget reviews and recommendations. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest kitchen tools. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!